guys, what's up? This is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you nice soft pink eyes. So basically, I'm getting ready for an evening tea party and this is what I'm wearing. I'm just floral dress. I'll post a full picture here. And the palette that I'll be using today to get ready is my new palette, which is from Anastasia. It's actually matching with my dress. I just love how this palette looks, guys. It has these beautiful shades like white, pink. So I'm in a mood to try these pink shades and this white shade. So let's see how this look turns out to be. There's nothing decided. I'm just gonna play with colors. I've already made a video with this palette, which was pink halo eyes. Turned out to be superb. Well, we're not doing halo eyes today. We'll be doing a very simpler look. So I'll start with my base makeup today because we're not doing too much to our eyes. So I don't need to do my eye makeup first and then base. Otherwise, usually in my videos, I always do eye makeup first because I can clean all the fallouts and then do my base. But here I'm just going ahead with the base. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on my darker areas, which is under the eye, and I have little spots here. Applying it on my eyelids as well. After this, I'm going with my foundation. I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. The shade that I'm using is 200. I'm using my PAC round foundation brush, which is PAC 003. I'll be blending the foundation very nicely and just using a small quantity. I don't want a full coverage on my face. I'm done with the foundation and still there's a bit which is left here. You guys, I love this L'Oreal Infallible foundation, but yes, I find this shade a little lighter for myself, so I like to apply a lot of bronzer when I use this foundation, just to fix that that white look on my face. I don't like that. Now I'm using this banana powder from Ben NYE, just very little powder just under my eye to fix the concealer. I'm not baking it, I'm just very lightly just applying it here, not going all over the face. My skin is pretty dry. I sometimes just avoid putting the powder all over the face, and I know this foundation will stay. I don't need to apply powder. Whatever is left over on my brush, I'm applying that powder on my lids, because remember we applied the concealer here. So to avoid our eyes creasing, we need to apply the powder. Alright, this is done. Let's go on to our eye makeup now. And so yes, here is the beautiful palette. Okay, so I'm using this shade Monte Carlo, taking it on a flat blending brush, which is again from PAC. So I'm applying this color on my crease, and in fact I'll apply this all over my lid as well. Okay, so this is how it looks. I have applied it literally all over my lid and of course on the crease as well. Now I'm taking a flat brush like this and using this bright pink color, which is this Bahamas. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, in this look. As I said, it's not decided. I'm just completely experimenting and playing with colors right now. So applying this, oh my god, pretty pink. Okay, applying this right at the center of my lid. this looks fine, guys, and these colors are pretty intense, so just take like a small quantity of it. How beautiful is this? Okay, this needs some blending. Let me just blend it nicely. You can use your fingers to blend this color if you find that more comfortable. Okay, so now I'm taking a pencil brush and using this white shade which is called Sales. So yeah, this is the white shade that I'm taking in my pencil brush and just applying it in the inner corners. Let me just place it on both the sides and then blend this color. Going back to the blending brush which we took in the first step, going back with this color, Monte Carlo. I'm blending this color on the crease. And a little bit here in the outer corner. And I think I'm almost done with my makeup. That's how I'm gonna leave this. It was this simple, guys. You know, if you want, you can make your outer corners even darker. To intensify the look, you can smudge a liner or something. I think a smudged liner would look much better in this look instead of a neat liner. However, I'm just gonna skip the liner. I'm just gonna keep my face, my eyes very like just minimalistic. Makeup is what I want, so I'm not doing the outer corners dark. I'm not doing anything. I'm just keeping it just nice blended shades of pink on my eyes. That's it, guys. This is my eye makeup look. It was just a quick 5 minutes look, and let's just apply some mascara. So curling my lashes. So going back with that pencil brush, again just taking this nice pink which is called Bahamas. Applying that in my lower lash line. I'm taking this white color, Sales, and applying it little just in the inner corners here of the lower lash line. Now I'm applying some mascara in the lower lashes. Applying some bronzer, but I'm taking very little quantity because I just want the look very pinkish. Don't want to make it brown, so just very little, so that just helps to contour my face for the pictures. I just want my face to look very glowy and dewy, for which I'm using this throat cream from MAC and taking very like just like a drop and applying it here on my cheekbones, and then we'll blend this properly. Use your fingers to blend this. It's just for that little shine. Look how beautifully this is blending, and also the glow on. Like you can see the difference between the two sides. For blusher, I'm using this pink blusher from L'Oreal. This is, I think, in shade Sunset something, Sunset Glow. So it's not a matte blusher, it has a little shine. Right, I think the face looks absolutely fresh and glowy and dewy. Even though I did not apply any oil before I applied the foundation, with I think the stroke cream and the highlighter, or sorry, the blush that I applied, that literally like just instantly added that glow to my face. Also guys, the blusher, if you observed, I was applying it very lightly just here on my cheeks, and I was not shifting the stroke cream that we applied here, alright? Guys, in case you don't have a blusher which can give you this glow, or if you don't have a stroke cream, you can use a lipstick instead, like a liquid lipstick if you don't have a liquid highlighter. And also this is just a replacement for all those things. It works very beautifully, just that you need to blend it very nicely. So you can use your finger to blend the lipstick and always apply small quantity and then blend and then apply more if required. So I have in fact used it in one of my videos, so I think it works great. So you can just use a nice pink lipstick for this glow. And what next? Now I think I'll just finish this look with some lipstick. So using this lipstick from Nykaa. So this is a shade number 17. Like, I just wanted to look like a lip tint and not a lipstick, so that's the reason I am blending it with my fingers, and I think it looks perfectly fine now. Okay, so this is my complete look. What do you think about this really simple, easy pink eye makeup look, which is I think perfect for the daytime? Look at my eyes guys, no eyeliner, nothing. I just completed this look in less than 5 minutes, though I was talking so it took a little bit more time, but yeah, I think it's really simple to achieve this. So yes, do try this for your day events, or for your brunch parties, or for an evening tea party in which I'm going. So, and don't forget to hit the like button, and also guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. I need everyone's love and support, and thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe, stay healthy guys.